Welcome to the flower painting lesson. I know it can be hard to choose flowers for the paintings. I think it's always beneficial if we have some instant flowers which can be painted all the time. It's enough, we don't need to think about its shape, only about its color. I would like to show you some ready-to-use flowers which are easy and quick to paint. The first one is a daisy-like flower. The middle has a circular shape and the petals are just elongated. They follow the motion of your brush as you press it to the paper. The petals are in an equal distance apart around the center, but you can add some smaller one too. You can vary the colors, of course. Our second one is an irregular 5-petal flower. We begin with a single petal. We paint it with the tip of our brush and we paint just lines in groups. Five times in a star shape. It's very quick and easy. The last step is painting the center. But you can begin painting the center first and after that the petals. It's up to you what you prefer. You can wait for drying the petals and after that you add the center, or you can make it, as I do, with wet on wet technique. Both methods are great. The next one is also a 5-petal flower with wide, rounded petals. It's like a nasturtium. Really lovely flower with so many varieties. The best thing, I can vary the yellows and oranges, and I can use the wet on wet technique, which makes every single flower guaranteed different. Isn't it lovely how the colors blend? It was worth to stand up in the morning, right? Another 5-petal flower, but this time like cherry blossom. Just press the brush to the paper and make a circle. You can vary this flower in many ways. This is a basic variant of it. You can leave a white space in the petals. You can paint it more curved and not so rounded. You can add the center when everything is dry or still wet. Everything depends on you. And the last 5-petal flower with long, elongated, pointy petals. Just make simple pressed brush strokes from the center outside. And 2 such strokes make a single petal. It's like a clematis. Very simple, just press the brush in motion. And the center comes after the petals. But you can paint it also different. First the center and after the petals. You know, it's up to you, how it is confident for you. Another flower with the same method, but this time it is with 6 petals. 2 pressed brush strokes make a petal. Isn't its painting easy? I hope so. I'm sorry, I love its painting so much, I have to paint another one. Just put the tip of the brush to the paper, press it hard and lift it up. The white space between the brushstroke is fine. And here comes the last flower I would like to show you. It's like a rose with a bigger brush. And now, with my smaller brush, it's like a ranunculus. It depends on your brush. You have to make simple C curves. I think its painting is really relaxing. As I mentioned, you can vary the brush size, the colors. You can also add more colors to the flower, as you would like to. That is only its instant version. And lastly, some leaves. The leaves are very simple, just press and lift the brush in motion. For wider leaves, you can make 2 brush strokes. For smaller leaves, only 1. Vary them and find your favorite. Enjoy the painting!